Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scribblings of Life. Today I am going to show you a process video on how to make a quilling portrait. Last year also I posted a video on the same topic and the number of views on that video are quite good, so it means that you people are liking it. So here I am sharing another portrait process video with you all. So this is the project which we are going to make today. Not the exact tutorial, but yeah, I will let you know the process of whatever I could shoot while making this project. So here are the list of the materials required. So this is basically a craft sheet, and I had made a lot of leaves and bunches of leaves here, as you can see. So most of the leaves are in green color, but wherever I want to give some height to the bunch of leaves, I have used some random colored strips over there, which were like sort of waste for me. Okay, so you can also use your strips in that way. And I had made a rough sketch like how I am going to design the arch of the project. So here I am putting the leaf bunches in various colors in the up like downward U shape here. To make this leaf bunch, I have used, like, somewhere I have used 9 small leaves, somewhere I have used 5, somewhere 8. I mean, that was totally random. And on above of that I am pasting some green color leaves on the upward side, and in the downward side, because they are going to hide, I am using some random color leaves as well. This is basically the eye shape of the paper quilling technique. So the project was in the greens, like shades of greens and shades of blues, like sort of that thing. And the main flower of this project was a sunflower that was in shades of yellows. So this is how I am creating the base of the project. So once this upward part was ready, here are the flowers which I had created. I will share a detailed video on how to make these flowers soon. I have to record it totally from the scratch. So here I am going to paste 4 flowers, as you can see, and I have used hot glue gun for this purpose, because otherwise it will not stick for a long time. I mean, glue cannot hold it, so use the hot glue gun for this purpose. And now you can see that on the upward side only shades of greens are visible, no random color is visible. Now coming to the bottom of the arch, I have placed 2 or 3 layers of these bunches of leaves, which were in browns, light blues, dark blues and greens color. So like here you can see I am making a base with some random color of strips. You can use any color strip here, any size, any shape, it doesn't matter, because it is eventually going to hide, right? So you can use all your waste strips over here to give the base to make the base, I'm sorry. And then we are eventually going to paste our leaf bunch here. And for this purpose also, like, I am using the hot glue gun, otherwise it will fall off. So this project was basically a gift to a friend from a friend, of course. And the project is based on the bond of the brother and the sister. The guy had lost his life in an accident, and this gift was basically in the memory of that guy to the sister on the first Rakhi after his death. So you can see over here that I am putting the leaves in all the direction, like in the left, in the right as well, and some in the center, facing downwards. So this is how the whole arch is created. Now this part is done. What I am doing over here is that I am just inserting some leaves here and there to give it a better finishing. So these things are taken care in the end only, and in the bottom part as well, like I am inserting some bunches of leaves which were left with me, and where I was seeing that it is looking empty or it is not looking very good. So I'm just trying to finish the whole arch and give it a perfect look. So now this is the image of the persons which I wanted to put it over here. So I had already made this portrait beforehand, and now I am going to basically paste it in the center of this arch. Also, to give it a better look, I am just pasting some rhinestones, red rhinestones on the leaves here and there to give it a finishing touch. So yeah, this is how it was done. After that also, like I did some changes, like I made this floor beneath the images, the figures, and written a message over here, unbreakable bond, where O was uh, in the shape of a Rakhi. Now coming to the packaging part. So many people ask me like how I make the packaging of my frames. So this frame was not a ready-made frame. I had got it done via a local framer. I just gave him the design, and he made the frame out of it. To pack it out, we basically use thermocol sheets in the bottom, on the top, and on the sides also, like we are putting some thermocol sheet to protect it from the breakage, because I am using the glass over here, not the acrylic sheet. I prefer not to use acrylic sheet because sometimes they get scratches very easily, and glass is very durable in the terms of scratches. I mean, glass doesn't get scratches very easily, and it is always clear. So I prefer not to use acrylic sheet until and unless my customer asks. So after the thermocol packaging, we just wrap bubble wrap on the whole package, and then only we put this whole packet into the cardboard box. So this is how we pack our product as well. So yeah, with this the video is done. To purchase anything from me, you can visit my website www.stepstowardscrafting.com. We are into a lot of product lines, so I can make anything for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video.